Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, we are going to be learning how to download and install SimCity BuildIt application on your iOS device. So let's get started. First of all, open your App Store on your iOS device. Also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Now, go to the search box at the top and type in SimCity BuildIt and search. Look for this application from Electronic Arts and then tap on the Get or the Download arrow icon. If prompted, sign in with your Apple ID credentials or with your Face ID or Touch ID. Wait for the game to download and install on your device. Once installed, tap on the Open button to open the game. Now an app shortcut will be available on your app drawer. Now you can start building your own city and manage its growth in SimCity BuildIt. If the video was helpful to you, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. I'll be back with another tutorial soon. Thank you for watching.